Hey, to turn on network discovery on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the taskbar with the right mouse button on this network icon, and then click to open the network and the internet settings. And now you will have to actually check what is your connection type. So click on the internet or the Wi-Fi. And from here, just take a look for the network profile type. As you can see in my case, it's actually the private network. So what we have to do right now is just to go back for the network internet and go into the advanced network settings. Now from here, go into the advanced sharing settings and open your network type. So we've got private and the public. In my case, that's the private, and also we've got this information that your current profile. And click here to turn on the network discovery. You can also enable setup network connected device automatically and also enable file and printer sharing. But if you are using the public networks, you can also turn on the network discovery right here. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.